Hey, how's it going? It's Sean. Today I'm going to teach you some incredible knee exercises that I wish someone had taught me when I first started training. And these exercises help me build my knees to become stronger, more flexible, and more durable. So the first thing I like to do is just get into a nice little squat position. I like to kind of rub my knees, get my attention here. Get up on your toes if you can. And just put a little bounce into your squat. We're going to roll back on our butts. I'm going to take my right leg, put it under, and I'm going to roll up, stretch out. I'm going to roll back. I'm going to take my left leg, put it under my right. I'm going to roll up, and I'm going to stretch out. Let's do this a few times together. Really stretch that out. Don't rush it. They're not explosive movements. This is just warming everything up. All right. Get back into a squat position. Now, I'm going to take my hands. This will be level 1. Take my hands, put them behind me. I'm on the balls of my feet. I'm going to press my hips forward. I'm going to touch my knees on the mat, and then bring them back. Hands back. Push my hips forward, push my knees onto the mat, and back. And again. Again. If you can do that, let's do that 10 to 12 times. If you can take it a next step farther, hands off the mat, push forward. I'm always on the balls of my feet, if you can. If you need to step back into your heels, take a break, that's okay. But if you can, stay on the balls of your feet, knees forward and back. Knees forward and back. The next level of that, when you can do that, is forward, then back, without your knees touching. Forward and back. Balancing on the balls of your feet. And if you can, 10 to 12 times. Get up, shake it out. Give your knees a rest. And when you're ready, back down, back into squatting position. Now, I'm going to take let's take my right leg, stretch it all the way out, swing it forward. Now my left leg, stretch it all the way out on the heel, swing it forward. And my right leg, stretch it out, swing it forward. My left leg, stretch it out, swing it forward. That's level 1. If you can do that, level 2, no hands, stretch it all the way out, swing it forward. Left leg, stretch it out, swing it forward. Right leg, stretch it out, swing it forward, Left leg, stretch it out, swing it forward. I'm always on the balls of my feet, okay? Level 3. Leg out, no touching. Leg out, no touching. Leg out, no touching. Leg out, no touching. Again, 10 to 12 reps, each leg. In between, stretch it out, shake your knees out, shake your legs out. Forward fold, try to touch the ground if you can. You should be able to see a major difference in how flexible your legs and knees are at this point in the exercise. Now drop back. 2 more exercises, and then you're done. Just a little hop. Try to go for 20 hops. Just tiny, about an inch, inch and a half off the ground. If you can't do the hop, just up and down. You can use your forearms to help you pop up a little. Good. Shake it out. So now, last exercise. Now your knees are nice and warmed up. I'm going to take my right leg. I'm going to cross step behind. I'm going to take my left hand. I'm going to turn, tap my heel, right back. Same movement. Leg behind, squat. Now I take my right hand, I turn, I tap my heel, and back. If you can't do that movement, when you do that squat, put your knee on the ground, tap with the left, right back. Same movement, knee on the ground, turn, tap with the right, and right back. Now let's do it with the left leg. Left leg back. Right hand. Turn, tap. Bring it back. And again. Left leg back. Now my left hand. Turn, tap the heel, and back. And you should feel the pressure on your knee as you're turning. Again, 10 to 12 reps on each side. So it looks something like this. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, all the way to 10 to 12. I hope you enjoy these knee exercises. They'll help with your flexibility, they'll create strength, and they'll help your knees become a lot more durable for all the movement practices that you're doing. Remember, keep it fresh, keep it fun, keep it symmetrical. Thanks for joining me.